How to properly unplug an electric guitar and amplifier. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Please refer to manufacturer's manual before using any electrical device. Number 1. First, turn the volume down on your guitar and amplifier. Usually this is done by turning the volume knob to the left. Number 2. Make sure guitar amplifier is turned off. Number 3. Unplug the guitar cable from the amplifier. Firmly hold the guitar cable grip, which is located above the plug. It is usually hard rubber, plastic or metal. Carefully pull the cable straight out of the input jack on the guitar amplifier. Number 4. Unplug the guitar cable from the guitar output jack, also referred to as an input jack. Firmly hold the guitar cable grip and pull cable straight out of the guitar output jack. If your guitar uses active pickups, which need a battery, make sure to unplug the cable from the guitar whenever you're not playing. The jack acts like a power switch. If the cable stays plugged in, the battery stays on and will drain, even if your amp is turned off. Check out my brand new music video to your left. If you enjoyed this video, we invite you to like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.